In a tragic incident at the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya in Mawphlang on the 28th of July 2024, a 17-year-old Class 11 student, Nathaniel Sohtun, died in a suspected electrocution accident. The incident, which occurred around 4 p.m., was discovered by fellow students who, along with the school's management, rushed Sohtun to the Mawphlang Community Health Center, where he was declared dead on arrival. Upon being informed, Sohtun's parents hurried to the health center and then took his body to their residence in Laban, Shillong, before deciding on a post-mortem to determine the cause of death. The examination was later conducted at the Shillong Civil Hospital, with the family awaiting the report. The school's principal, Neelam Sharma, declined to speak on camera, citing authorization issues, but off-camera, she acknowledged previous complaints from students about power shortages in the hostels. She also confirmed that the police had visited the hostel to investigate into the incident. School authorities who accompanied the victim to the health center also met with late Nathaniel Sohtun's family, according to Principal Neelam Sharma.